Hello, everybody. My name is Michael John. I am a data engineer with concentration on mobile development and mobile data analysis. I work at Vituity, which is a healthcare company in the Bay Area. In this video, I am going to do a demo of the Firebase React Native chat that I built. Before we get into the details, I am going to mention that all the users, all the text messages are just test data and test users I just created for this demo video. So let's get started. So what is Google Firebase? So Google Firebase is a backend service created by Google that gives you functionalities like analytics, database, messaging, and crash reports so you can move quickly and focus on your users. And it's built on Google infrastructure and scales automatically for even their largest apps. So that really helps people and teams succeed in mobile app development. Um, so Google Firebase, you can have authentication of user control and has the database where you can store the all kinds of messages in the structure that you structure and images, audio messages, and so on. So let's get into the app. First, we need to log into the Firebase. So I'm going to log in with my email. Um, each Firebase project has their unique product key and IDs that you have to initialize in your React Native app in order to have your app pointed at a specific project. And I set my password with 12345 6. And when we log in, basically my Firebase app has a tab navigator of 3 screens: the home screen, the user screen, and the group chat screen. So let's get into details of each one of the screens. So for the group screen, for the home screen, which displays the people who you have text with or who has been texting you in the history. So besides each person and their profile picture, you will see the latest text messages that you have texted with the person. It's pretty similar like the Facebook, and we can even put like the time, the recent time of the message that's being sent to you. So let's see. Let's take test 5, the bottom one person, for example. So when we click to test 5, and we can see the latest message is test sending a photo. Um, and by the way, the Firebase chat also supports sending pictures and audios. So let's give a new recent message. Let's say recent message sent. So we successfully sent a message to test 5, and we go back to our home view, and we can see at the bottom we see recent message sent, which automatically updates to the most recent message that has been sent to the user. Um, and you can also do search for the users in the search bar. So let's say if you want to find David, and you can easily find David and chat with him. Oh yeah, now the image displays. It was loading slowly, but yeah, it wasn't a bug. It's working. So let's go to the users page. So it's the list of all the users. Then you can also do the search or just click to the user that you want to chat with. So let's just chat with David. Hi, David. And just want to show you guys how I send the photo. So I'm going to send the exact same photo again to David. See, I sent the photo to David. So it supports text and photos. And then we have the last tab, which is the group chat, which displays all a list of the group chats renders in flat list, which is a library generated by React Native at the backend in the rendering. So you can see, so let's go to this chat, this group chat, so we can do any message we want, and the other users will see your message. And we can also create our own group. So just simply tab, sorry, I should make this view a little bigger in terms of the height. So let's do test 2, test 3, and test 5. So the users are selected, as you can see here. Sorry, I should make it bigger. And you click create. And then you have successfully created a new group chat with test 2, test 3, and test 5, and yourself. Hello everyone. So yeah, that's basically the whole app. And also I have recently implemented the new functionality, which is jumping from one app to our chatting app. So for our healthcare companies, our physicians might looking at some dashboards on our callbacks app, and then immediately want to chat with the patients or other physicians about their information, and just have a general chat to send a reminder to other people. So we have successfully implemented a function which supports jumping from one app to the other. To do the trick is basically the URL scheme. We give it a test scheme, and we can send in some patient information, for example, the MRN. We give it a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's say the reason for visit the hospital equals, let's just say, back pain. We need some specific format for the URL scheme, and then it's equivalent to jumping from an app to another. You can imagine like an app that has a button that say chat, and then it will take this URL scheme and jump you right into our app. So let's go. So see, open this page in Firebase chat, so you can open it, and it will automatically prompt a send text view in which you can select the person who you want to send with, and then it has a reference down here which automatically formatted the MRN and the reason for visit, which is back pain. And you can also enter your message here, so we can do, hi David, the patient MRN is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reason for visit is back pain. Thanks, Michael. Cool. Now I'm just gonna send it to David. So you can see it automatically jumps you into our personal chat room with David with the message sent. That's pretty cool, right? That's all for the demo of my React Native Firebase chat, supported by Google Firebase at the backend. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.